guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Faith. I was about to say happy vlogmas. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to do a plain boring clothes, just plain clothes turned to something cute. Today we're going to be DIYing, designing clothes, so I'm going to give you guys like an insight. So I'm going to go to a regular store and try and find plain clothes, like no logo, no design, nothing, like a plain white shirt, a plain black shirt, just plain clothing. And then we're going to go to Michael's and then we're going to spice them up. Bring you guys along. Also, I have on my head wrap to hold down my edges. Ta-da! Okay, so I did my makeup, I got ready, and we're gonna go to the store. So let's go to the store. Some inspo of how you can design clothes. It's really easy. It's something I always do. Like even in my room, I love to even with my room, I love to get creative and just try new things, or show you something that I DIY'd clothing wise. Okay, I have this big shirt on. But these mom jeans, like they're baggy, I DIY'd them myself. So what I did is, the waist was a little tight for me. They were a size 0, but I love them so much and I could not leave them in the store. I think that, they're like a size, I don't know, like a 1 or something. But I don't remember, but they were quite small for me. So what I did is I kind of cut and fringed the waist all around. So as you can see, I cut and fringed the waist and it's so cute. The whole point is just to put your own spice or your own taste, because I mean, yeah, we go to the store and when we shop we may find something we like, but adding your own touch to something can make it really special. So that is what we're gonna do in today's video. So I don't want to drag out this intro, but without further ado, let's go to the store and then Michael's. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm currently in Michael's and this is exactly something I was looking for. The dazzling beads to like put on a shirt. Let's see. I like these better, they're smaller. Oh, they have gold ones. I like these too. I'll try these ones. Who sells plain shirts? So I probably don't even have to go to Burlington to get like a plain shirt. Okay, so I got a pink shirt and it's kind of oversized because it's in like an adult size. So I got this pink oversized one. It's not really oversized, but the way it will fit me is oversized. Then I wanted a more close-fitting one, so I got this one and it's a youth small. The fabric of these shirts are really soft. They're like not cheap at all. Good. Then I just got a plain white, which is really what was in my head I wanted from the beginning, so I got a plain white. So we're going to be designing 3 shirts. So okay, so I'm trying to find like a clothes glue, probably E6000. I've heard of that one. I know E6000 is like really strong, like this kind, but I don't know if it's okay. So it says it's washer and dryer safe, so I actually might get this one. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back from Michael's. So I only had to go to one store. As you can see, I found plain shirts in Michael's, which I totally forgot Michael's had plain shirts, because like you can tie-dye like shirts, so they sell plain shirts. So I'm going to do a quick haul and show you guys, and then in the next clips I'm going to show you me DIYing them. Okay, so this is the bag. All right, this is a receipt. Okay, so the first thing I saw, like as soon as I went into the store, I saw these sticky gems. This I got. Okay, this was also like in the same area. These are just some gold ones. I got a smaller pack because yeah, I didn't want too much, but it comes with like this size and then like smaller ones and bigger ones. So I got, yeah. And then I thought it was really cute if I could maybe put this on like a collar or something. And then to put all of these things on the shirt, I bought E6000. It'll be pretty oversized. Got a smaller one in gray, and this is in, I think, a child small. Yeah, youth small. So the other one was adult, this is youth. I got it smaller because I wanted a more close fitting, as you can see. This is also a small in, I think, adult. Yeah, so this is an adult. So I got this kind of bright but like a pink. Okay, so I'm showing the E6000 glue, and then I'm just opening it. So then I found these white flowers with like a little pearl in the middle. I thought they were really cute, and I also found some inspo off of Pinterest, as you can see right here. I found some inspo and I was like, okay, this is what I'm gonna go off. So then now I try to find a placement for the flowers. So I'm just placing them and seeing where it would look cute and how many should I put. One thing I also did notice about this glue is that it dries really fast, so it hardens pretty fast even while you're placing the stuff onto the shirt. So I had to work pretty fast. So now I'm just doing the finishing touches, and this is the finishing product of the flowers on the collar of the shirt. It's really cute. I really like it. Now I wanted to put a like fake outline of a pocket, so that is what I'm doing here. I'm just placing the flowers in the outline of a pocket, and yeah. So now I'm finished with the shirt. I finished putting the fake outline on the pocket. Now we're moving on to the pink shirt. And for this shirt, I wanted to do these silver gems. So I'm using the E6000 glue. And I'm using these sticky gems that I actually realized are not individual. They're like a whole sticker. So it did take me some time to do this. I'm also using some tweezers and some scissors to help me out. So again, back to the gems. These gems are like one big sticker, so I actually had to individually cut them, and I decided to put my name on this shirt, so I couldn't put it in like lowercase letters, so I had to do all uppercase letters to write my name out. So I basically had to cut each of the gems in a straight line so that I can do my name. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm trying to spell out my name, even though the stickers were not pretty flexible, but I was still able to do it. So now I am complete, and I did all the letters of my name. This is actually before I glued them down. I just wanted to have a complete outlook of how they look before I actually glued them down. So now I'm just fixing the letters to where I want them to be to make sure they're all straight. So this is the finishing product of the shirt. Everything is glued down now. I'm really proud of myself and I did not expect it to come out this good. Now we are moving on to the white shirt. I'm using these gold gems and I decided to put the gems in the direct front of the shirt, and I'm making like a square pattern in the front. So I'm using larger and smaller gems to do so. So I'm using my tweezers to help me glue down the gems, and now this is the finishing product. Everything is glued down and it came out really cute. So I waited a few hours for everything to dry in the front, and now I'm moving on to the back. I decided since this is a plain white t-shirt, I wanted to add something a little more extra. So I decided to put a line of gems like down in the middle in a straight line. So now I'm just gluing the gems on the back of the t-shirt, and I also cuff the sleeves if you can see it at the side. I just wanted something a little more so the shirt can look more structured, and now I'm placing the glue directly on the shirt to help me put the gems on the shirt. Okay, so now this is the finishing product. I really like how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There will be a part 2 coming very soon. I will be trying on all these shirts, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.